In the second video of this playlist, I demonstrated how to install Nuxt Auto-CRUD using the starter template. While the default template uses SQLite, you can use MySQL by installing the nac-starter-mysql template instead. Visit the Nuxt Auto-CRUD GitHub URL and click the nac-starter-mysql link. Copy the provided commands. Open the terminal in your project folder, paste, and run them. Follow the on-screen instructions. Generate your database migrations using the command nuxtdb generate. If Docker is installed, run docker compose upd to start MySQL as a microservice. Then start the Nitro server using Nuxt dev. Once the server is running, verify the endpoint API/nac/users. Your dynamic CRUD system with MySQL is now ready. You can test the APIs using Postman, Rapid API, or similar tools. This video concludes by creating a user and fetching the user list.